Jeff, where are we?
We are in the desert of West Texas. We are headed to Big Bend National Park.
Headed in. Big Bend. Big old.
Are you filming me? Filming you? Filming me?
Filming me.
Apparently this is where they found so many fossils. Dinosaurs, Ice Age type animals. This all used to be wetlands. But now it's super hot desert. We're trying to do like 3 or 4 hikes tomorrow, or even later today. I wouldn't be opposed to doing it at night when it's not as hot. We just hit the Cattail Falls trailhead. We had to walk about a mile or more in from the van. Yeah, so we've got another like mile and a half to these waterfalls. We drove 8 hours for this, huh?
Yeah, we did.
But we're gonna get enough hiking in to make up for that drive across all of Texas, basically. It's a bummer that the dogs couldn't come, but it's also a bummer that we can't leave them long enough to just backpack in and camp for a couple days. That would be a lot of fun, so we're making the most of it. Well, a little bit of bad news. Let's see. Okay, it's not completely dry. Some water down there. Let's see. Okay. Well, interesting. Coming down through here. Okay, so it's not much of a waterfall. It's pretty dry. It's just a trickle at this point. That's it. But there is water. Well, that waterfall was a bust. Still a decent hike, I won't complain, but this is what I'm talking about. This vista, this view, this is one of my favorite views I've ever seen. I love that. Big Bend National Park. This is beautiful, so I would definitely recommend this. You know, if you're never going to be in South Texas again, you got to hit this place up. It's you know, it's a great national park. This is awesome. It's just super far out of the way, but it's worth it. Look at that view. That's one of the best things I've ever seen in my whole life. We're just eating sandwiches. We're probably going to camp up here on this this vantage point. There's another 30 miles of scenic road that we'll hit up in the morning before finding a canyon to hike down. So that's our plan for tonight and for tomorrow. We've got a lot planned for this video, so stay tuned. That's some good craftsmanship. Okay, these are the remains of the Sublett farmhouse, James and Melissa Sublett. They settled here in 1913. Check this out. That must have been the patio.
These are van size rooms.
This must have been the living room. Good view. Hey. I know those guys. All right, we're at the Santa Elena Canyon where the Rio Grande cuts through this mountainside. What you looking at?
All the crystals.
Ooh.
I like crystals.
Crystals. Ooh, look at that cactus up. Looks like it'd get you. Calcite crystals. Too bad we can't chip a couple off and make some earrings, huh, babe? Even some bird watching for you.
Oh yeah. I'll be watching for. Oh, what is that?
Oh, that's nice. That was a good hike. One of the coolest hikes I've ever been on. Probably the coolest hike in Big Bend. We're gonna find probably a couple more and then we're gonna head north. We'll see what else we're getting into.
Where are we headed?
Carlsbad Caverns National Park.
We stayed overnight in this lovely town of Carlsbad.
We needed a shower. 3 days in a hot Texas National Park. Some things needed washing, if you will. So.
There was a Planet Fitness in town. We're gonna come back here tonight and shower again and eat some Mexican food.
Oh yeah.
And then we're gonna head out on the rest of our adventure.
Each adult is going to be $15 and $50.
All right, this is the amphitheater, but we've got an hour walk down to the cave.
Yeah.
And then an hour walk in the cave.
Well, knowing us, we'll get it done in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, we move quick. Oh, she said there was like 70 stories worth of switchbacks. Dang, we're gonna be switching back. Huh. All right, we're walking. Oh, okay. Dude. The Descent. You ever see that movie? No?
No.
You filming me? Filming me? Okay. All right, it looks to be covered in bat guano. And it smells about the way you would think.
Yes.
Smells like rodents live here. like a guinea pig kennel that hasn't been cleaned out in a while. Well, check that out. Oh. Dude, I want one. A ringtail cat. Let's try to find one. Yeah, push. This cavern is so big. That's like a football field. And then we continue to go down. We don't have to worry about bats in the cavern. They migrate, I don't know where to, but they don't come back here until like April.
This is obviously where the Fraggle Rocks live.
What's crazy is that this is just the walk down to what they call the big room. It's gonna be so huge.
You know it. Yeah, I don't know if this is really showing how big this is. Let's see, there's people down there.
Oh, for sure. Well, Dree over here says she needs a cookie and a Diet Coke, so we're gonna go get some Mexican food. We're putting our National Parks Pass to good use on this trip, so stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna go get some food.
Yes. Kevin.
What? What?
Summer Hugh. Burba.
Burns like hell until it solves me.
Let's go.
We're headed to what national park is it?
Carlsbad.
She's got her down slippers on.